Hi everyone, my name is Y. Satya Vinod, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, BBC Engineering College, Vadalarevu. Today we are going to discuss about the linear variable differential transformer or linear variable differential transducer. So, when coming to the contents, transducer, the basic definition, its classification, active and passive transducers, advantages of transducers, applications of transducers, and LVDT, construction, principle, operation, advantages and disadvantages, uses. Transducer. Transducer is a device which converts one form of energy into another form of energy. And coming to the classification, transducers can be classified as on the basis of principle of operation as capacitive, reactive, inductive, and second one as primary and secondary transducers. Primary transducer Bourdon tube, the secondary transducer linear variable differential transducer LVDT, and third one as passive and active transducers, and fourth one as analog and digital transducers, and as transducers and inverse transducers. And coming to active transducers, active transducers are those which do not require an auxiliary power source to produce their output. They are also known as self-generating type since they develop their own voltage or current output. Example: velocity, temperature, light, intensity, and force can be transduced with the help of active transducer. And coming to the passive transducers derive the power required for transduction from an auxiliary power source. They are also known as extremely power transducers. Examples: resistive, inductive, and capacitive transducers. And coming to advantages of electrical transducers, the advantages of converting physical quantities into analog electrical quantities are electrical amplification and attenuation can be done easily, and that too with static devices. The electrical or electronic system can be controlled with a very small power level. The electrical output can be easily used, transmitted, and processed for the purpose of measurement. Due to the integrated circuit technology, the electrical systems are compact. And coming to the applications of transducers, they are used in electroacoustic. Examples: loudspeaker, microphone, hydrophone, piezoelectric, that is crystal, etc. Transducers are used in medical instruments such as in sonograph machines. And third one, electro-optical. Example: fluorescent lamp, incandescent lamp, etc. And transducers are used in music engineering and recording. They are used in complex mechanical systems and even in safety systems like train brakes. And electromagnetic, example: antenna, magnetic cartridge, etc. And coming to linear variable differential transformer LVDT, the linear variable differential transformer LVDT is the most widely used inductive transducer to translate linear motion into electrical signal. Coming to the construction, it consists of the two windings, that is primary, and two secondary windings. And it consists of armature, that is ferromagnetic core, and the displacement, and we are giving some AC input. And a differential transformer consists of a primary winding and two secondary windings. The windings are arranged concentrically and next to each other. A ferromagnetic core armature in the shape of rod or cylinder is attached to the transducer sensing shaft. The core slides freely within the hollow portion of the bobbin. An AC excitation is applied across the primary winding, and the movable core varies the coupling between it and the two secondary windings. As the core moves away from the center position, the coupling to one secondary becomes more and hence its output voltage increases, while the coupling and the output voltage of the other secondary decreases. Coming to principle, any physical displacement of the core causes the voltage of one secondary winding to increase while simultaneously reducing the voltage in the other secondary winding. The difference of the two voltages appears across the output terminals, the transducers, and gives a measure position of the core and hence the displacement. Operation: when the core is in the neutral or zero position, voltages induced in the secondary windings are equal and opposite, and the net output is negligible. By comparing the magnitude and phase of output with input source, the amount and direction of movement of core and hence displacement may be determined. And coming to the advantages of LVDT, the transducer possesses a high sensitivity and the transducers have low hysteresis and hence repeatability is excellent under all conditions. They have infinite resolution, they are simple, light in weight and easy to maintain. Coming to disadvantages, they are sensitive to stray magnetic fields but shielding is possible. They are inherently low in power output. Temperature affects the performance of transducer. And coming to uses, the LVDT can be used in all applications where displacement ranging from fraction of a millimeter to a few centimeter have to be measured. Acting as a secondary transducer, it can be used as a device to measure force, weight and pressure.